After 3 months of wicked and rigorous research, I present to you the best niche of the month for faceless YouTube automation. Please put your hands together for me. Put your hands together for me. And this is the niche that has won the niche of the month. And trust me, if you jump on this niche from now to the next 3 months, you are definitely going to get your results. Now, I'm not telling you this as a result of guesswork. I'm telling you this out of 3 months of research and results my students who jumped on it have gotten within the shortest period of time. So you might want to wait to watch this video to the end, know how to jump on it, and start to cash out as it is hot. Without any further ado, let's go there. My name is Solomon Chooks. I'm a social media strategist, and here we teach you different ways to get results from social media, either as a business owner, as a content creator. We also teach you how to make content with AI, like YouTube automation, AI content, and faceless content creation. Just everything that has to do with making content and making money online. If this is the type of content you would like to consume, please, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon. This research, I've been on this research for the past 3 months, and coincidentally, 3 days ago, one of my students who just passed out from the private coaching class, I think the third batch that just finished last month, sent a message in their group and said that he just hit 1,000 subscribers. And I screamed, I said, how did you do it? Because I know he's barely 2 months in the hustle. And he said, it just happened and his videos have been performing so well. I said, what happened? What niche is that? And to my greatest surprise, it was the same niche I have been carrying out research on. It was the same niche that I found out is the best niche of the month, right? The same exact niche. And this has happened 3 times within these 3 months of research on finding out this best niche. You can see our chart here. I think this is not mere coincidence. This is just something happening as the right thing and giving the result it is meant to give. And somebody will be asking, Solo, what is this niche? We are running out of time. Now, before I tell you this niche, please, that I said is the niche of the month does not mean that it is not going to be valid for the rest of the year. No, I'm just telling you that it is the winning niche for the month. All right. So what is this niche? It is the Bible niche. Now, this might sound awkward, but that is the niche that is going to give you the result you want. We have heard about anatomy, storytelling, true crime, and the rest of them, but this one is what is going to give you an immediate result. Yes, you are shocked, right? It is the Bible niche, and I have every evidence, every reason to tell you that this niche is definitely the best niche of the month. Now, this might not be that niche that will pay you the biggest, all right, that has the biggest CPM or RPM, but it is worth it, and it is definitely going to give you a lot of money within a short period of time. Now, why is this niche the best niche of the month? Number one, it is an evergreen niche. It is not going to die. Bible and religion is never going to leave this world. So that reason alone is something big to hold on to. Number two, at the course of my research, I found out that the Bible niche has a wide audience, all right? A lot of people are interested in it, not just Christians, people who want to argue, people who don't believe in it at all, and people who want to actually know what's happened in some of the parts of the Bible that are not actually in the Bible. And a lot of Africans are actually claiming to be opening their eyes, and they want to make more research on this Bible thing, find out facts to talk about and prove to fellow Africans that there is nothing like the Bible, or that they are fake, as some of them are proven. So it has a wide range of audience. Man, you just need to do the work very, very well. Now, remember, in YouTube automation, engagement is very, very important. These particular people coming from different angle of belief sparks up arguments in the comment section, and this will help the video to succeed very much more. This is one of the reasons I found out that makes the niche perform so well. Number 3 is that it works so well as a long-form content. Listen, long-form content is where the money is, all right? If you really want to make money from YouTube automation, long-form is where the money is. And the Bible niche works best on long form. Why? Because the people who watch it must always watch it till the end. They make sure they watch it till the end. They always want to have something to talk about the story. So they don't have any reason to just watch it halfway. So this will give you watch time, make you a lot of money, and still make the video perform well. Number 4, hitting the watch hours here is very, very easy. Since people watch the videos till the end, when I'm talking about watching the video till the end, as I saw a lot of videos of 2 hours, 3 hours that people watched till the end and still say that they want more of it. All right. So by this, that means these videos are definitely going to be hitting watch hours a lot. Million views now water. So this is going to be very, very easy to get monetized and start making money from it in a very short period of time. I'm not capping, I'm telling you what is happening. Now, before I tell you the last, have you subscribed on this channel? If you now here, we teach you different ways you are going to be making money through content creation. Content creation, I mean YouTube automation, faceless content creation, social media marketing. You are a brand, you are a business. And so I'm going to be dropping a video on how to edit your faceless YouTube channel in my next video, right? I think that is going to be massive. All right. So if this is what you would want, I beg you in the name of God, please click on the subscribe button and smash the bell icon. Even if it's not what you want, just support the brother by subscribing to this channel and drop a comment in the comment section. It's going to help me a lot. Make sure you share this video, please. Now, let's talk about the last reason it is a very good niche, or it won the niche of the month. Monetization criteria. Now, one of the things we consider before choosing a niche in YouTube automation is the monetization criteria. How much can you make money apart from the one YouTube pays you? How free are you? How vast is making money potential there? Can you create a digital product? Will brand reach out for you? What type of brand? What type of audience are you attracting? What can they pay you? All right. Those are the things we consider. Now, talking about the Bible niche, now we are going to be attracting a lot of writers, a lot of religious book authors, a lot of digital products, and the rest of them. Then you yourself as a person can now create your own digital product and sell. You have a lot of opportunities to make money here on this niche. All right. I think this is one of the reasons you should follow this channel, because I'm going to be telling you how to actually monetize your content, not waiting for YouTube to pay you before you start making money. That is trash. That is trash. We are talking about being able to make money from creating this content, not until YouTube starts paying you. And this is what this Bible niche is going to be doing for you. You are going to be able to be making a whole lot of money without need to YouTube itself getting on the way. Is that not amazing? All right. Now, in all, I'm trying to tell you that Bible niche is the niche of the month, and don't waste time to jump on it. If you have been struggling with YouTube automation, I think this one is going to work for you. We have a lot of results. I think about 3 of my students who just started it roughly 2 months ago are already getting their results. Now, I want to always remind you that this is not a guarantee, because a lot of people can go into a particular niche that is working well and still not do well. This is because you don't know anything about YouTube automation. You went in without a strategy. You don't know how to build a working strategy for your YouTube automation videos. Making the video is the most easy part of YouTube automation. The most difficult part of it is being able to get the results you want from your video, like how to optimize your video, how to choose the right title, how to use the right tags, how to do your keyword research, and a lot of those things also contribute in giving you the results you want from this video. If you don't know how to do all these things, you might end up not actually getting the result, because you are working based on guesswork, which I don't always support. And this is why my private coaching is always a very, very good place to be. We have been doing this from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and the rest of the places. We are known everywhere for being one of the best in this industry. All right. We have coached a lot of people who have succeeded, and we are getting massive results from this YouTube automation thing. So our class is always open to put you through and show you the exact way to get started with this thing. We are going to teach you editing, how to choose a niche, how to carry out your research, keyword research, optimization, how to make your videos show up on Google, which is one of the most important things you need to know about YouTube automation. Okay, so if that is what you might want, every information you need to get started will be in the description bar. Whatever thing you just want, everything will be there. This is a place to be. Please feel free to DM me if you want to talk to me, and stay for me, I beg. Stay for me, I beg. Let us grow this channel together. I'm Solomon Chooks once again. I sign out. In my next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your faceless YouTube channel like a pro. I sign out.